Now you got your S10 Plus, and right now I'm going to teach you the top 6 features on this S10 Plus to make this phone much useful. Alright, so let's get the video going. Pin window is the first features I would like to teach you on the S10 Plus, S10 and S10e or any Samsung phone. Basically, you have to turn it on from the setting. Once you turn it on, if you want that person to check out a picture or a website, you don't want them to go over your phone, you pin it. You basically press a recent button, go to the icon and press pin this app. Once you pin it, that person cannot go over your phone. When you want to release the pin, you have to press the back and the recent button together at the same time to release the pin. But the thing is, you don't want them to go over your phone, so you don't want to tell them how to unpin it. A lot of people didn't know about this, so do not tell the people how to unpin your apps. Mini keyboard is the second features on the S10 or S10 Plus or S10e. Basically, you turn on your keyboard, go to 3 dots, and you see mode. When you press mode, there's 3 different type of keyboard. I would like to show you the mini keyboard, because sometimes if you're using one hand and if you have the swipe key on, it's pretty useful to use one hand with that mini keyboard. It doesn't block the entire screen when you actually do multi-windows, or if you want to swipe with one hand, that mini keyboard, it will be floating around and you can still type with your swipe key. Scrolling down from the top to the bottom with using 2 fingers is a third feature I would like to show you. There's a difference between using 1 finger or using 2 fingers. If you like to go to the toggle bar and look at all these icons, you can actually use 2 fingers to scroll down and you can access every single toggle you like to get. And if you use 1 finger to scroll down, it's only give you a limit toggles, and then there's notification at the bottom. But the thing is like sometimes if you only just going for more toggles, you don't need notifications, you can actually use 2 fingers and scroll down, and the toggle will be more. Now the fourth feature is very similar to the toggle bar. It's actually the auto display. But do you know that if you go to the setting, let's say you go to the arrow and go to detail, you actually can go to the display setting right away without going to setting and then go to display and all this stuff. You can actually go to this display with a shortcut when you go to auto display at the toggle bar. And you can set up your 4K display, you can set up your colors, you can set up anything you want with that setting. Using your voice to record or taking pictures is one of the best features in Samsung phone, and this is number 5. So it's happened a longer time already. S3, since S3 or S4 or whatever, Note 3, they already have this. So in order to turn it on, you just go to the setting in the camera and search for voice recognition. Okay, and then you can just turn that on. You can use your couple ways to take a picture. The best way to take a picture, sometimes if you cannot reach your button. The last feature I would like to show you is called Edge Light, and you can adjust it with the setting. So go to the setting, search Edge Light, and then you can actually change anything you want. Okay, so I've been using my Edge Light to tell me there's someone calling me, I have a text message, a WhatsApp message, anything like that. My Edge Light will change the color whatever I want. So it's very interesting now that Edge Light they can go into this next step. But yes, you can actually change your color right now. That's pretty amazing. So these are my top features for the Samsung S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and make sure to press the like button below. Alright, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.